Okay, so here's the picture that you made at church today, and you're going to tell Mom and Dad about it, right?
Yeah.
Okay, what is your picture about?
About Jesus.
And who was inside that cave?
Jesus.
And who are these ladies? Is that his family?
Yeah.
What happened?
He went back to life and he got out of his cave.
Yeah. Did that make everyone happy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But that's his family.
His family was happy?
His family wasn't, because they didn't know Jesus was out.
They didn't know he was out. They went there and they were sad. And then they got there and they saw Jesus came out. What happened to Jesus? Why did he come out?
Because he was going back, because he wanted to go back to life.
That's right. All right, say Happy Easter.
Happy Easter.